Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about what's new in WordPress 6. So hit that like button so that our video reaches more people. Now let's get started. Are you still using the old WordPress version? It's time to update your WordPress to version 6. WordPress 6.0 comes with updates and improved features that you can benefit from adding to your WordPress site. First, Style Switcher. This allows you to choose a different style combination from the theme styles. The available colors are white, beige, blue, and black. You may also see the color of the text for each style. Choose a style, then click on the back arrow, and you can see the preview of how your styles will look on your site. In this section, you can export the theme that you have updated so that you can have a copy. Under Tools, click Export. Next, New Archive Theme. On your editor, access the Templates menu. When you click on the Add New button, you can add new templates such as the front page, author, category, date, tag, and taxonomy. This is helpful as you no longer need to create custom templates. It's all streamlined in one section. Next, Recommendations. When you click on the plus icon here, it allows you to insert blocks that are recommended by WordPress. This makes it easier for content creators to add features on their site quicker. Next, customize the theme's color. Use the palette section to customize the color options for blocks and other design tools. You can select the theme's foreground, background, the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Next, transparency. When you click on the image that you have added, you can see the option Transparency under Duotone. When you click on this color above the shadows and highlights, you can drag the button on this section to where you want to set the transparency of the image using this color. Next, Typography. Under Size, you can adjust the margin of your block. Under Dimensions, you can adjust the padding and the block spacing of your chosen blocks. Next, Borders. You can see changes when you see columns. When you click on the column block and then click on the plus icon, you can add the width of the border, the style, you can make the image round, and it will show a different style on your image. Next, use featured image as cover. Instead of using the Add Media button to upload an image as your page cover, you can use the cover block as an alternative. Once you click on the cover block, you can view a featured image button when adding your cover image. Next, List View. This is an important tool that you can use to make it easier to select multiple blocks where you can drag and move. Just hold on to the Shift-click keys on your keyboard, then select multiple blocks and just move them to the section where you want them in the list. Next, Comments Query Loop. You can find a new block to add under Themes. You can view the block in this section. What you can do here is you can customize the name of who comments on this post, the comment date, and the content. You can also choose different colors for these texts. Next, Avatar. This feature allows you to showcase the author's profile and photo. Next, Post Autobiography. If you have added your profile under All Users and place your biographical info, then it will be easier to display your biography on WordPress 6 using the Post Author Biography block under the Theme section. Next, Block Editor. When you write paragraphs, you can move the blocks and drag them anywhere in this field. On WordPress 6, you can now disable that feature so you won't accidentally reorder or delete paragraphs. Click on the block and choose Lock. You can now lock the paragraph. You have options to lock all, disable movement, or prevent removal. Next, Group. Under Design, you can find the Group block. You can change the orientation of your blocks. If you have multiple images, it would be best to organize how the block will appear on your page. If you want to save space, you can transform your block into a row. Next, Quick Shortcut. In this section, type in 2 open brackets, and you will see a pop-up menu of the available pages that you have on your site. This allows you to easily add a link to that page. When you place your mouse over the text, you may notice the URL link here. If you need to turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages, we have a marketing app They can help you get more replies, conversions, and sales from every message you send. It's called Sell It Pics. You can personalize image messages for LinkedIn prospecting and personalize image messages for Facebook marketing. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories, and search engines. Create a prospect list of your best customers. Next, collect contact data for your reach out. Choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and market. Then send your message. Reach out and start turning leads into customers. So try Sell It Pics now. Go to the URL gosellitpics.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.